Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. So student, in our previous class we have discussed about the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. We learned that western coastal plains extend from Gujarat to the Kerala, and the rivers like Narmada, Tapi, Mandovi are flowing through the coastal plains of western regions. And some famous ports like Kandla, Jawaharlal Nehru Neva Seva are situated in these plains. We also learned that there is no delta in this region just because these regions are narrow and having rocky area. At the same time, in eastern coastal plains stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri are flowing through these regions and creating many deltas in that. The mango forest are the famous forest of this area, and there are many ports are situated in this region also. Now come to our next topic. Today we are going to learn about island. We will learn about two types of island which are situated on the either side of southern India, Indian Peninsula. There are two major offshore islands are situated in India: Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. What is the meaning of offshore? Offshore means in the sea, not far from the land. Means these islands are situated nearby the land area. So as you can see, there are two islands on the either side of Indian Peninsula. Here on the west side, Lakshadweep Island is there. This all are the part of Lakshadweep Island. And this one is the Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated on the eastern part of Indian Peninsula. This upper part is known as Andaman Island and this is known as Nicobar Island. So let's learn about an Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal, and it is not a single island, it is a group of 572 islands, and in that near about 25 islands are inhabited, means a person cannot live there. Do you know that in Andaman and Nicobar is the one of the 7 union territory in India, and the capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. This island is covered with a dense or thick forest, and the only volcano is in India is lie in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Let's learn about the Andaman and Nicobar Island through our course book. The Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal. It is a group of about 572 islands. Out of this, more than 25 islands are inhabited. It is the one of the 7 union territories of India with its capital as Port Blair. The southernmost tip of India, Indira Point, lies in the Nicobar Island. These islands are rocky and covered with dense forest. In small areas like rice, coconut, fruits and vegetables are grown here. Barren Island, an island located here, has the only active volcano in India. Let's learn about the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Sea, and it is the group of 36 islands, and only out of 36 only 10 are populated. The people of the Lakshadweep Island are included in occupations like agriculture, tourism and petroleum industries. This island island is made up of rock formed by the corals, or it is having shape like sea animals called coral props. Let's learn more about the Lakshadweep Island through our coursebook session. Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea. They are a group of around 36 coral islands, out of which only 10 are populated. First of all, we learn the meaning of coral. A hard substance made by plant like sea animals called coral poplar. Means the substance which they are getting from water. This is looking like that rock covered with the tree or plant. These islands are made up of coral reefs. Coral reef means a long line of rocks formed by corals. Coral reefs are found here in large numbers and are a big tourist attraction. It is the smallest union territory of India with its capital as Kavatti. Kavatti, Agatti, Kapeni, Minicoy and Bangam are some of the famous islands. Agatti has an airport too. The people of this island rely on fishing, tourism, petroleum industries, agriculture, coconut cultivation. So as we have seen that Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Sea and having group of 36 islands. But out of 36 only 10 are populated. It is also a part of 7 union territories of India. And the capital of Lakshadweep Island is Kavatti. Kavatti and other areas like Agatti, Kapeni, Mako and Bramgam are some of the famous islands of Lakshadweep Island. And Agatti has an airport too, so people can go by air also. The people are included in the occupations like fishing, tourism, petroleum, agriculture industry and coconut cultivation.